for taking your time to kuja hapa kwa Vuka Sasa team today. Our young ladies from the community, the Vuka Sasa team, and the PTMTS, the entire Vuka team. Thank you very much for coming today. Leo, we just want to do a demonstration to our young girls within the community. Then after that, we donate some few sanitary pads to the young girls within the community. So in Vuka Sasa team, it is an initiative within the community. We are doing different activities. One of it is day-to-day cleaning of the pit latrine. The second one is pit tempting. You can see our pit tempters with us today. Another one also, we are doing soap making. Then the last one, we are doing the reusable sanitary pad, which is menstrual hygiene. So I'm going to invite one of our girls to come and demonstrate. And before we go to that, so we have a problem of the sanitary pad within the community. Do you have that? Can you raise our hand to know if that thing is there in our community? It is a problem in our community. Yeah. So I'm going to introduce Eva to take through the menstrual hygiene and reusable sanitary pad very fast. Then after that, we'll see the benefit of the reusable sanitary pad compared to the other sanitary pad. Sasa, thank you very much. Welcome, Sylvia. Eva, I mean, to take them.
Okay, kwa wale ambao wanijui, naitwa Eva. I'm the team leader wa menstrual hygiene. So, with me here, I have a reusable sanitary towel, I have a reusable pad, and I have a normal pad. So, I've been using these for the past 1 year. And so far, for this 1 year, I've only spent 360 shillings to purchase these. And when I compare these to the duration, to the years when I was using these, I came to discover I was spending 960 shillings on these. So from last year till this time, I discovered I've been saving 600 shillings when I've been using these as compared to this. This means my 600 shillings which I've been saving, it has been effective to me because it has assisted me to buy some of my personal items such as nail polish, toothbrush, and body oil. So the major reason as to why I chose this and we came up with this project was one, when I say this is environmental friendly as compared to this. In most instances when I was using this, I came to discover the disposal method of this was kind of difficult. Because one thing, when the pit latrines are full, it means you'll have to wrap it and throw it outside, maybe there or in any other place. But when you use this, I came to discover I'll wash this, I'll dry it outside, then from there, I'll again use it. Then after that 1 year, the disposal technique of this was either burying it deep in the soil. Other than burying, you can as well burn it. And the other advantage of using this as compared to this one has some of the chemicals. When I see this, when you check it properly, there are some pads which have like some perfumes on it. So these perfumes, they are capable of causing fungal and bacterial infection. But when I see this pad, it doesn't have any chemical content in it. It's purely made out of the naturally available materials. So this one has chemicals which makes a girl to be prone to chemical to bacterial stroke fungal infection. So these are some of the advantages as to why we chose this as compared to this. The third advantage, this one is easy to make. It doesn't require too much skills to make this as compared to this. And finally, when I see this, most girls in the community, they can't afford this. So we come from a community whereby most girls, they fail to go to classes. Like in a term, a girl can fail to go to classes roughly around 10 days. That means in a month, for 3 days, this girl will bunk class and she'll be at home simply because she can't afford this pad. So this girl missing classes 10 times a term and a boy is in a class from Monday to Monday till when the term ends. This makes this girl's education lifestyle to be affected. So when we came up with this, a girl can only spend 360 per year, which means it makes the girl's lifestyle to be much more better because they'll be attending classes from Monday to Monday, and these 10 days which they miss in class, they can't miss in class because they have a remedy to them missing the classes regularly.